Hey folks, this is a Jeep Compass with a brake light switch. Check it out. This is where it is. This white piece right here. Okay, I'm going to show it to you when I see it in person. Alright, you see it's up on the brake pedal, releases the switch. The way this comes off, you just take that and you twist it to the left and it unlocks from this metal bracket, and then you're just going to unplug it. It's pretty simple. I'm going to show it to you in person with the other switch, with the old one. Alright, like I said, you just grab it, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Just turn it a little quarter of a turn and it'll stop right off. You'll understand it once you see the old one. Alright, it's cold out there, so I can't stay out there for too long, otherwise I can't feel my fingers. But anyway, here is that Duralast brake switch, SW5437. It's about $13 or so from AutoZone. All right, but this is the switch right here. That's what I showed you underneath the brake pedal. Now, in order to remove this, what you want to do is this is the brake pedal. And what you want to do is you just want to step on the brake pedal to relieve the pressure off of this switch. Otherwise, this is constantly, because the brake pedal is up, it's pushing this in, it's going to give you a little pressure, give you a little hard time turning it off. But if you look at it, it's a square hole. Okay, I'm going to draw a picture over here. It's a square hole. That metal plate looks like this, and there's a little slot in there. That little slot, it's actually for this little piece right here. So this piece right here, because it faces up like this. This is where the electrical plug goes. All right, so here is the little slot, and that's the way it's going to line up in that plate, just like that. Okay, to remove it, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Okay, when you buy it from the store, it's going to look just like this. It's already going to be cocked all the way over. Okay, so that's the way you're going to install it, and then you're going to turn it to the right, and that's how it locks. So it's already in the left position, which is like to remove it or to install it. Okay, so basically, like I said, you want to take your arm or whatever and just push on the brake pedal, so you relieve the pressure off of this plunger. Okay, this is the metal bracket that it looks like. It's going to be right up here. You can't even see it. What you could do is you're just going to grab the switch. Remember, the plug is on top. Okay, you can take the plug off later after the switch comes off. It gives you a little more room, a little more wiggle room. All right, so this is the metal bracket. This is the switch that you see. You're just going to grab it, maybe from the bottom like this, right? Because you're looking from underneath. It's going to turn it to the left. It only goes so far. It's going to click, and it's going to lock, and it's going to look just like that. Once you click it to the left, then it pops right out. These 4 little tabs, 1, 2, 3, 4, is what's going to come out of this little square plate. Turn it, it locks in place, pulls right out. Once it pulls that out, you relieve these 2 little tabs here, and the plug comes right out. You get the new switch. Like I said, it's going to look just like this, already in this position. You're going to put the plug back in. You're going to take this, look for the little tab that shows you that it goes up. And you're going to stick it in there. And you're going to turn it to the right. And it only goes so far. Okay, and don't worry about it spinning all the way over. You're not going to mess it up. Okay, you can't put it upside down because, like I said, it's a little tab in there. It's going to go. And once you stick it in there, you turn it, it's going to lock. Let me get you a pair of pliers here. Let me just show you. Okay, just going to show you how it locks. All right, remember that's a little tab. Okay, it's going to grab it here like this. Going to turn it. It's going to turn it this way. Right up here, maybe. Show it to you. Okay, going to turn it, and it's just going to lock. Hang on, I got to do it this way. Got to grab the outside box. See it? Hear it? Click again. Watch. Okay, then it's locked. Once it's locked, it's not coming out. That's why if this is in the bracket like this, lefty loosey, and turn it to the left. I try not to grab this piece here, otherwise it's not going to work. Lefty loosey like this, turn it to the left, and come right out. Okay? That's it, folks. Brake switch. Got a bunch of little wires in there. Not exactly sure what they're off for, but it's probably for power, ground. Okay, maybe for the cruise control. Okay, what else? One to allow you to put it in drive and reverse when you step on the brakes with ignition on. And I forgot what else is in there. Some of these are probably just not used either, depending on what the options on the car is. But I noticed that after we changed this, okay, when you step on the brake pedal, you can actually hear the sound going in the shifter go click, 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 click. Didn't do it before. It didn't do it before, and had to check engine light for a brake switch. Okay, so yeah, listen, it's a common problem. It's plastic. 12, 13 bucks. Go get it. Change it. Very easy. A little awkward to get to it because it's on the bottom. But it's very simple to change. All right. That's about it. All right. Thanks for watching, guys.